So I purchased the JBL Endurance Peak 3. Today we're going to be unboxing these, and at the same time, I'm going to be going through some of the specifications of them with you. A little bit silly, I know, but if you don't want to damage the box, don't open from the top as it's glued. Make sure you open from the bottom instead. So first off in this packet, we have the quick start guide. And then next up, we have the charging hub. So the charging hub will give you 40 hours of battery charge, and it takes 2 hours to charge, okay, over USB-C. So where's that? There it is. The headphones themselves will give you another 10 hours by themselves. So you get up to 50 hours of use here off a single charge of 2 hours. And here are the Bluetooth headphones themselves. So these use Bluetooth 5.2, which is not the latest standard, currently 5.3, I believe, but it will still give you an absolutely solid connection, and they do feel really good. Now, there's a couple of other things in the box, so we'll come back to these momentarily. Okay, so in here, we have a couple of additional buds, okay, depending on what's the most comfortable for you, and we do have the USB-C charging cable. Not very long, but obviously it's going to do the job at charging the hub. But now going back to the earphones themselves. So these utilise 10mm drivers, which I would expect is going to sound pretty good. There is also the JBL Pure Bass Boost, which you can enable if you want to have that little bit of an additional punch there. Now, the other good thing about these is that they are IP68 rated. That means they are not only dust proof, so helpful if you are going to a sandy location such as the beach to do some exercises, but they are also fully waterproof. They can be submerged and still will work absolutely fine. But also for convenience factor, they have 4 inbuilt microphones, so you are going to get good crystal clear sound when making hands-free calls. One of the only downsides though, straight off the paper specifications, is that these have no active noise cancellation, which is a little bit disappointing. I would have liked to have seen that here. But just to show you finally, putting them in the charging case, really, really easy. There we go. That's ready to charge now. And so there we have the unboxing of the JBL Endurance Peak 3s. Thanks for watching.